Hey all, so today I'm going to show you how you can create a new course on Canvas, which it sounds easy, but it might be kind of confusing. So you're going to start in your dashboard and you're going to go down and you're going to see your published courses. All right, so you would think it would be here, right? How to find and make a new course, but actually you need to go to your courses on the left-hand side, go to all courses, and then you're going to click add course. So you can name it whatever you want. Practice course. Okay, create course. And then when you go back to your dashboard, I have not published it, so it'll be down in my unpublished courses, practice course. So let's say now we want to publish it. All we have to do is click publish and we can decide what we want to publish. I don't have anything in here, so I can't publish it yet. Actually, I can just make a home page. Let's just choose and publish. All right, so now we have our new course. Now what I'm going to show you is how to import a course into a different course. Okay, so let's go into our practice course. Okay, and we're going to go to import existing content. So this means content you already have on one of your courses that are already on Canvas. So I'm going to import existing content. I'm going to select a content type. I'm going to copy a Canvas course, and then I'm going to find the course I want to copy. Let's say I want to copy my sandbox. I can copy any of them, but I'm just picking one. And then you can do all content, or you can do select specific content, whatever you want to do. If you do this, once you click import, it'll ask you what you want to select. So it'll go content type. Okay. Um, so you select your content, and now you can pick what you want to select. So let's just say we do course settings. You have 7 courses, and you all want them to have the same settings. So go to select content, and that'll import. And you can see over here that it's importing. And then it'll say running, and then you'll get a green little box here when it is ready to go. So we're just waiting for the course to copy. And so once it's copied, you'll have whatever you copied in whatever section. So since I just did the settings, it's just going to change my settings down here. You're not really going to be able to see that much stuff. But that is how you import an existing course into a new course or a different course.